We got the door lined up pretty good. I might still need to get down some hinges.
Yeah, close on for the try. Yeah. You finna take the door off too, huh? Boy, I tell you, folks see stuff don't make, you know what I'm saying, don't go on there right. They want
Hey,
to
it's custom.
on.
It's custom. Cracking YouTube, back in the stand with another video, man. I'm over here messing with these door hinges. So I got the door hinges in. I've been had them in for a little minute now, but I'm over here trying to see about taking them off. You know what I'm saying? So I done started taking this one loose. I ain't even pulled them out, the new ones out the box yet, but let's see about. Let's see. I jump right into action. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, this gonna be a shot, boy. Alright. What I'm gonna do is, before I go to just taking all of them out the box, because they got these boxes labeled. Screw these in. Okay. So these move around here on the inside. Hold on, y'all. Camera a little foggy because it just came from out the house. Alright. R2. Move from this way. That's left 2. That's left 1. That one go back in and see what's up. Let's see. One hand bandit right now, y'all. This R1 and R2. So it gotta be the right hand side. That's what I'm hoping that means. Gotta be shit. Let's see what's in this box. What's what? Yeah, that looks just like the one I just took off. Yeah. It's the new version, new, better and new. So it's gonna go back on him like this, I think. No, hell no, like that. But this can't be for this side unless I'm holding this bitch wrong. What that box say? That box say R1. Let's see. If you stated in the front of the car, that's the right hand side. This the left hand side. Let's see. Let's hold this one back up here. This one just came off like that. Okay, it's the right way, right one. Because it goes back. I just had that one way.
Like that?
Like this? Like this.
I wanted your whole video. Maybe a picture or something.
It can't be like this. Cause this one, unless this is two different ones. But I don't know. I'm sitting here looking at it. Look the same. It go like that.
Yeah. You had that one for like that.
Oh, there?
No, I'm telling you, you had like that. Yeah, for real.
It can't be like that because the door got to bolt into that other back piece right there. See, look, this one just came off like this. No, not like. I think it was like this.
Yeah, what I'm saying is like, yeah.
I don't know. Hold on, cuz. It can't be right. There we go. Right there.
Man,
It go like that. No, it's because the bolts right here, these two, It's 2, then it's 3. You see what I'm saying? You gotta go like that.
So this one, it facing toward that way.
Yeah, let me go look at this side. We over here fumbling right now. Yeah, so the spring's supposed to be on the bottom on this side. The spring gotta be on the top on that side.
Shit. So
It gotta go like that.
couldn't be good thing like that.
Well, that one might be the wrong one then. Hold on, that box say R1. I mean R2. What's that one? Let's see what this one. What's in this motherfucker? We don't need to get them mixed up. That's why we should let the people that do this. Versus out here playing Mr. Fix It. See, that's the bottom part. I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute. We finna try to get this part figured out for a second. We back. Y'all see I got this one bolted up. It was the right one. Just a lot of fumbling going on. But we gonna figure it out. You know me, I put it on wrong 17 times until we get it right now. You gonna hold the camera for me, cuz, while I get this one? It ain't new, but when that dough come back, and we bolt that dough on cup.
Are you ready?
Huh?
Are you ready or what, man?
I don't know, cuz. We gotta see, cuz. As long as that dough don't beat us down, cuz.
As long as you and quality ain't on no more.
That ain't quality, it's dropping, motherfucker. Quality said somebody walked up to the car, at the car show on him.
Yeah.
Hey, cuz, why your ass dropped the dough?
He was standing behind her. We been ready past the trophy.
It might not be a good idea.
Man, leave that drag lad door alone, man.
Man, don't fuck with it.
Hell nah.
Alright,
it might close.
Huh?
It might close, right? Maybe.
Taking that bitch apart while it's hooked up.
Oh no.
And bolting that bitch back up.
Oh no.
Huh?
Oh no.
No?
No.
Don't do it?
Fuck no.
Fuck no?
Fuck no.
Man, alright, y'all. We're gonna cut y'all back on. Let's see what we finna do.
Yeah, we had 4 minutes. How you cut this motherfucker off?
Just hit the record button on the hanging part. Oh, fuck. This bitch don't fit.
That don't mean you try to make it.
Huh?
That don't mean you try to make it.
How come? I don't think it's supposed to be that goddamn hard, y'all. Get in the comment section, tell me how I'm fucking up, y'all. Uh-oh, there it is. Hold on. Let me do a little bend.
Oh, here you go.
Need to bend some shit for me. I need some pliers. That's what I need.
They need some heat.
Some heat.
Yeah. Oh, that was Jay.
I ain't lying. I thought that was Jay and Rock. I'm like, what the hell y'all doing? Oh, this ain't even the right size, I don't think, y'all. I'm trying to put the little cowl piece on. Shit, the little ends they sent me don't even fit on this bed. Hey, Pete, go grab the black bag for me, Pete. Pete. Go grab the black bag for me right up there, cuz. Damn, y'all. Trying to put the cowl piece on it. Shit, it bit dead. Dang. At least I got door hinges on this side.
Yeah, with no door over there.
Man, I'm gonna put that door on there. Oh,
Yeah. You finna take the door off too, huh? Boy, I tell you. Folks see stuff don't make, you know what I'm saying, don't go on there right. They want
hey,
to
it's custom. It's custom. The black bag, yeah. Alright, y'all. I don't know what's up with that cowl piece. I gotta get some more hands on it. Alright, it's gonna look smooth though. What you think, Black? It's going all the way across.
Shit.
Versus that drop off. Man, shout out to what's his name? Elco One. That's who hit me up and told me about it, bro. You can sit down, Pete. I gotta find some bolts in there. I think I got some bolts that might fit it up in here. No, I got all type of shit. That ain't it. But I'm gonna try to take this. What's we call out the other side? Oh, true. I just hope the door don't fall on me. That bitch fall on me. I'm to the floor then, y'all.
Then you got them ugly ass J's on.
Who, my J? Bro, didn't he? Hey, bro, he work shoes, man.
Yeah, you right. You did need some work shoes.
Right. Man, you talking about my work shoes, boy?
No, Dan never talking about your work shoes.
What open too? What you doing? I need nothing. No, I don't need you to open nothing. Knock that motherfucker down. Don't finna hit the ground, man. I'm trying to take the damn thing off.
Ain't
like quiet water.
If he ain't here, he don't know what the hell he trying to do.
Saying. He got them damn headphones on. Hey, y'all, we're gonna cut y'all back off, man. I gotta find the extensions, man. Alright, we back. Boy, talking to Noah, boy done put that, done got that, boy.
Barely.
Yeah, and you got stuck in there. We ain't record that part, y'all. But look, we done got these hinges on this side and we got the door lined up pretty good. I might still need to get Dan some hinges. Yeah, it ain't never done that. I might need to still get her some more of these. Might still need to get some more hinges to go on the inside of the door. But y'all see it? Boy, don't put these hinges on here. I believe that bottom one probably need to go up a little bit too.
That was a little creaky.
It do look crooked from standing here, don't it?
Nah, it just ain't standing right there.
That big crooked?
It be creaky.
Might need to take that one loose and then tighten it back up. Let's see. Yeah. I need to get another end on it. On here. But we good for right now, y'all. Got the hinge on this side. I got it kind of figured out on how to get them, guys. So we got the door hinges on. This little cowl piece. I gotta go to AutoZone and get some bolts that'll go around this. I had to get some of them so I can bolt it down. I got the ones that was on it, but That ain't gone. I need some real bolts. I need some bolts so I can go down flush. Then the trim piece come back across. And that way when all that get painted across there, it's gonna look good. But we just want to get these door hinges on, guys. Got the door hinges on. And we got the cowl piece for the Gbody AC delete plate on. So we're gonna be cutting y'all back on, man. Probably put that fender in there. I gotta go get my hood hinges from over there too. I'll probably put that fender and front cap and all that stuff. Start putting that back on. Getting that stuff back squared away. So, like I said, man, slow motion better than no motion. Got these door hinges on here. So, like I said, I'm gonna holler back at y'all on the next video. Y'all check out the website if you need some merch, likewithice.com. I'm gonna holler back at y'all on the next video, man. I'm hot. Ain't no telling what I'm be getting into the next video. I don't know if I'm gonna be messing with this car, but I do need to let them coilovers up. And I do need to fix some stuff on my truck. The truck sway bar links is shot, y'all. I done been running my truck in the ground. I need to change that on my truck. I need an oil change, and I need an oil change on a charger. Charger need an oil change. Truck need an oil change. I gotta tighten up. But like I said, man, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all tune in, and I'm gonna holler back at y'all on the next video. All right. All right, guys. I bolted this fender up just to see what she looking like. This fender gonna need some body work, but we squared away, baby. It ain't in that bad of shape. Got some free dents and dings. Y'all see a little dent right there. Should be able to fix that though. Starting to look like a car. But I gotta pick up the other fender. And I gotta get this. I ain't got this all the way tight anyway. But I gotta get some bolts for this too, like I said. But just want to show y'all this fender bolted up. But I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute. All right.